Cleaning can be a real pain, especially those tricky spots in our homes that seem to collect dirt and grime no matter what we do. We've all stood there, staring at a stubborn stain or a grimy surface, wondering how we're going to get it clean. But don't worry, help is here. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. In this video, I'll share 22 common cleaning headaches and show you how to solve them using natural, budget-friendly methods. These aren't just any old cleaning tips. They're tried and true solutions that I've used in my own home. The best part? They'll save you money and keep your home safer and greener by avoiding harsh chemicals. So, roll up your sleeves and get ready to make cleaning a breeze. With these simple tricks, you'll tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges without breaking a sweat or your bank account. Let's turn those cleaning nightmares into easy-to-handle tasks. Number 1. Kitchen cabinets. Kitchen cabinets, especially those near the stove, can become a sticky, greasy mess over time. It's enough to make anyone want to close the cabinet doors and pretend the problem doesn't exist. But there's an easy fix that doesn't require any harsh chemicals. Mix baking soda and coconut oil to create a paste. Rub this mixture onto the cabinets with a soft cloth and watch as the grease melts away. The baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, while the coconut oil helps to break down the grease. After wiping it off, your cabinets will look clean and fresh, with a subtle coconut scent as a bonus. Number 2. Microwave. Microwaves can quickly become a disaster zone of food splatters and lingering odors. But cleaning them doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a few lemon slices. Place this bowl in the microwave and run it on high for about 5 minutes. The steam from the water will loosen all those stubborn food splatters, making them easy to wipe away. Meanwhile, the lemon will infuse the steam with a fresh, clean scent that eliminates any funky odors. Once the microwave cools down a bit, simply wipe the inside with a damp cloth and voila! Your microwave is clean and smells great. Number 3. Shower head buildup. A clogged shower head can turn your refreshing shower into a frustrating experience. Over time, mineral deposits can build up, reducing water flow and leaving you with weak, misdirected sprays. But don't rush out to buy a new shower head just yet. Fill a plastic bag with white vinegar and secure it over your shower head with a rubber band. Make sure the shower head is fully submerged in the vinegar. Leave it to soak overnight, and in the morning, remove the bag and run the shower for a minute to flush out any loosened deposits. You'll be amazed at the difference. It'll be like having a brand new shower head. Number 4 on our list of often ignored dirty spots is grout, and here's how to clean it easily. Grout lines in bathrooms and kitchens can be a real eyesore when they get dirty. They seem to attract grime and mold like magnets. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Apply this paste to the grout lines and let it sit for a few minutes. Then, spray the area with white vinegar. You'll see it start to fizz. That's the cleaning magic happening. After the fizzing stops, scrub the area with an old toothbrush. The combination of the abrasive baking soda and the acidic vinegar will lift away dirt and kill mold. Rinse with warm water, and your grout will look good as new. Number 5. Stovetop burners. Stovetop burners can accumulate a lot of burnt-on food and grease, making them look unsightly and potentially affecting their performance. Remove the burners and soak them in a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda for about 30 minutes. The vinegar's acidity will help break down the grease, while the baking soda provides a gentle scrubbing action. After soaking, use a scouring pad to gently scrub away any remaining grime. Rinse thoroughly and dry before replacing. Your stovetop will look so much better, and you don't have to use any harsh chemicals. Number 6. Glassware. Hard water can leave your glasses looking cloudy and dull, no matter how many times you wash them. It's frustrating to pull out your nice glassware for guests, only to find it looking less than sparkling. Fill your sink with warm water and add a cup of white vinegar. Soak your glasses in this solution for about 5 minutes. The acidity of the vinegar will break down the mineral deposits, causing the cloudiness. After soaking, rinse the glasses with warm water and dry them with a lint-free cloth. You'll be amazed at how they sparkle. It's like having brand new glasses. Number 7. Furniture. If you're a pet owner, you know the constant battle against fur on your furniture. It seems like no matter how often you clean, there's always more pet hair. Put on a pair of rubber gloves and dampen them slightly. Then, run your gloved hands over the furniture. The rubber combined with the slight dampness creates static that attracts the pet hair like a magnet. You'll see the fur ball up and stick to the glove, making it easy to collect. When you're done, simply rinse off the gloves and hang them to dry until next time. It's an easy, effective way to keep your furniture looking great, even with furry friends around. Number 8 on our list of often ignored dirty spots is cutting boards. And here's how to clean it easily. Wooden cutting boards can become stained and smelly over time, especially if you cut things like onions or raw meat on them. But don't toss that cutting board just yet. First, sprinkle some coarse salt over the entire surface of the board. Then, take half a lemon and use it to scrub the salt into the board. The acid in the lemon juice combined with the abrasive action of the salt will lift stains and kill bacteria. Let this mixture sit on the board for a few minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Not only will your cutting board be clean, but it will also smell fresh and lemony. Number 9. Blinds. Dusty blinds can make your whole room look dingy, but cleaning them slat by slat can be time-consuming and tedious. Grab a pair of kitchen tongs and 2 microfiber cloths. Wrap the cloth around the tongs and secure them with rubber bands. Now you have a tool perfectly shaped for cleaning blinds. Simply clamp the tongs around a blind slat and slide them across. The microfiber will trap dust and dirt on both sides of the salt at once. Work your way down the blinds, and in no time, they'll be dust-free. This method is not only quick, but also keeps your hands clean in the process. Number 10. Carpet. Spills on carpets can be a real headache, leaving unsightly marks that seem impossible to remove. But don't despair. Start by blotting the stain with a mixture of white vinegar and water. This helps to lift the stain without rubbing it deeper into the carpet fibers. Next, sprinkle baking soda over the area and let it sit until it's completely dry. The baking soda will absorb any remaining moisture and odors. Once dry, vacuum it up, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Number 11. Garbage disposal. A stinky garbage disposal can make your whole kitchen smell unpleasant. Here's a quick and easy fix. Drop ice cubes made from white vinegar and water into the disposal. Follow this up with a few lemon peels, then run the disposal with cold water. The ice helps to clean and sharpen the blades, while the vinegar and lemon work together to eliminate odors and leave your disposal smelling fresh. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 12 on our list of often ignored dirty spots is bathrooms. And here's how to clean it easily. Bathrooms are prone to mildew due to the constant moisture. To tackle this problem, spray affected areas with white vinegar and let it sit for 30 minutes. The acidity of the vinegar helps kill the mildew and prevent it from coming back. After the vinegar has had time to work its magic, scrub the area with a brush to remove any remaining mildew. Rinse with warm water and dry thoroughly to prevent new mildew from forming. Number 13. Window tracks. Window tracks can accumulate a surprising amount of dirt, dust, and even dead bugs. To clean them, start by sprinkling baking soda along the length of the track. Then, add a few drops of white vinegar. You'll see it start to fizz. That's the cleaning action at work. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with an old toothbrush to get into all the nooks and crannies. Wipe clean with a damp cloth, and your window tracks will look good as new. Number 14. Drains. Hair and soap scum can quickly clog bathroom drains, causing slow drainage and unpleasant odors. Pour a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar down the drain. Let it fizz for about 10 minutes. This reaction helps break down the clog. Then, flush with boiling water to clear everything away. This natural method is gentler on your pipes than harsh chemical drain cleaners. Number 15. Mirrors. Streaky mirrors can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get ready in the morning. For a streak-free shine, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray this solution on your mirror and wipe with a microfiber cloth. The vinegar cuts through any buildup on the glass, while the microfiber cloth ensures no lint or streaks are left behind. Your mirrors will be crystal clear in no time. Number 16 on our list of often ignored dirty spots is pillows, and here's how to clean it easily. Over time, pillows can become yellowed from sweat and oils. To freshen them up, wash them in hot water with a mixture of laundry detergent, baking soda, and white vinegar. The baking soda and vinegar work together to whiten and deodorize the pillows. Dry them thoroughly in the sun if possible, as sunlight can also help brighten them. your pillows will look and smell like new. Number 17. Kitchen floor. Cooking spills and crumbs can leave kitchen floors sticky and grimy. For an easy and effective clean, mop with a mixture of white vinegar and hot water. The vinegar cuts through grease and grime without leaving a residue, and it's safe for most floor types. Your kitchen floor will be clean and shiny without any harsh chemicals. Just be sure to use caution on natural stone floors, as the acidity can damage them. Number 18. Shower doors. Soap scum can build up on glass shower doors, leaving them looking cloudy and dirty. Spray the doors with white vinegar and let it sit for about 15 minutes. The acidity of the vinegar will break down the soap scum. Then, wipe clean with a sponge or microfiber cloth. For extra tough buildup, you can make a paste with baking soda and water to scrub before the vinegar spray. Your shower doors will be sparkling clean and crystal clear. Number 19. Refrigerator. Spills and leaks can make refrigerator shelves sticky and dirty, creating an unpleasant environment for your food. To clean them effectively, mix water and baking soda to create a gentle cleaning solution. Remove the shelves if possible and wipe them down with this mixture. The baking soda acts as a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive, removing stains and odors without harsh chemicals. For stubborn spots, let the paste sit for a few minutes before wiping. Rinse with clean water and dry thoroughly before replacing. Your fridge will be clean, odor-free, and ready to store your food safely. Number 20 on our list of often ignored dirty spots is ceiling fans, and here's how to clean it easily. Ceiling fans can collect a surprising amount of dust, which can fall off when the fan is in use, spreading dust throughout your room. Here's a clever trick to clean them without making a mess. Take an old pillowcase and slide it over each blade of the fan. As you pull the pillowcase back, it will trap all the dust inside. This method keeps the dust from falling all over your furniture and floor. Once you've cleaned all the blades, take the pillowcase outside to shake out the dust. Finish by wiping the blades with a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue. Number 21. Toilets. Hard water can leave stubborn stains and mineral deposits in toilet bowls, making them difficult to clean with regular methods. Pour white vinegar around the inside of the toilet bowl, making sure to cover all the stained areas. Let it sit for at least an hour or overnight for really tough stains. The acidity of the vinegar will help break down the mineral deposits. After soaking, scrub with a toilet brush, focusing on the stained areas. For extra cleaning power, sprinkle baking soda over the vinegar before scrubbing. The fizzing action will help lift away the stains. Flush to rinse away the solution and reveal a clean bowl. The last on our list of often ignored dirty spots is TV remote, and here's how to clean it easily. TV remotes can become sticky and grimy from constant use, harboring germs and looking unsightly. To clean it safely, start by removing the batteries. Then, dampen a cloth with a solution of equal parts water and rubbing alcohol. The alcohol helps sanitize the remote while cutting through grime. Gently wipe down the entire remote, paying extra attention to the buttons and crevices where dirt can accumulate. Use a cotton swab dipped in the same solution to clean around the buttons and other hard-to-reach areas. Let the air dry completely before replacing the batteries. This method effectively cleans and disinfects your remote without risking damage to the electronic components. There you have it, 22 simple, natural, and budget-friendly ways to conquer those pesky cleaning challenges around your home. These methods not only make cleaning easier, but also keep your living space safer and more eco-friendly. No need for harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. Just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen can work wonders. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With these tricks up your sleeve, you can keep your home sparkling clean without breaking a sweat. So, roll up those sleeves, grab your cleaning kit, and get ready to transform your cleaning routine. Happy cleaning, everyone! Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.